But after coming here, now there is no gastric issue, 0%.
इसने हमें ढूंढ के दिया ये जगह और जस्ट लाइक ए मिरेकल।
लेकिन यहाँ आए तो दिल खुश हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं डॉक्टर साहब तो, बहुत ही आप तो बिल्कुल भगवान हो सबके लिए, विदाउट मेडिसिन सबको इतना बढ़िया।
गिव मी क्रोसिन, गिव मी डोलो, गिव मी समथिंग।
But they give only coconut water.
They have given only coconut water for 3 days and automatically my temperature has been gone away.
Dear friends, heartily welcome to Nature Life TV. We have a wonderful family from Himachal Pradesh. On behalf of you all, I invite them to Nature Life TV.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Please introduce your father and mother
Okay.
and yourself also.
Hello, I am Pallavi, and she is my mother Vibha Sharma and my father SB Sharma. I was here last month at Thrissur and Ernakulam Center of Nature Life, and because I was searching for my grandmother tumor issue. And after searching many Veds and Nature Life Center, I met patients there and I heard their success story. And I was amazed to see that patients of kidney, liver, skin problem and even cancer issues, they were getting cured without any allopathic medicine and without any surgeries. This was the I can say alarming thing for me, because at the age of 82 of my grandmother, I can't take her for any surgery or radiation. And only at that place I was getting assurance of improvement in my grandmother's problem. So I forced my parents to come here with us, and because they have little issues, lifestyle issues like diabetes, BP and cholesterol, and now I ask her to share her experience of 14 days.
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है, मेरे पैरों में दोनों में बहुत दर्द रहता था।
She had knees problem. She can't sit in squats position, and after 14 days she can sit for 5 minutes continuous.
बहुत ही अच्छा यहाँ का वो है ट्रीटमेंट, बस लफ्ज़ नहीं है मेरे पास कि मैं क्या बोलूँ। बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आके।
Okay, she is saying that she had great experience here. Everybody, the staff, nurses and duty doctors, everyone is so helping and they are so dedicated for the treatment that she has no words to express how thankful she is for everything. And the best thing is, we had blood test yesterday, their cholesterol level is down, their sugar level is down, their thyroid problem, it was higher side, it is on in range now, and moreover they are feeling a little active also.
केवल खाने पीने से ही सारा शरीर बिल्कुल सही हो गया, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
Without medicine, only with food and herbal treatment, she is saying that she is okay now and she is going to follow this for lifetime at her home.
ट्रीटमेंट सभी बहुत ही प्यार से करते हैं, बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं सभी यहाँ का, बहुत ही अच्छा। मॉर्निंग से ही योगा शुरू हो जाता है, बहुत अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर है यहाँ का।
She also loves here the atmosphere. Because of the atmosphere and surroundings and the people, she is very satisfied and happy, and she already informed all of her relatives, her sisters, her brothers who have lifestyle issues and these problems, same problems, to come here at least for 14 days.
हम तो यहाँ आते हुए डर रहे थे, दिल्ली से आ रहे हैं, लैंग्वेज प्रॉब्लम है, पता नहीं हमारे साथ कैसा वो होगा कैसा व्यवहार होगा, लेकिन यहाँ आए तो दिल खुश हो गया। बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं डॉक्टर साहब तो, बहुत ही आप तो बिल्कुल भगवान हो सबके लिए, विदाउट मेडिसिन सबको इतना बढ़िया ट्रीटमेंट मिल रहा है।
She was scared to come from Delhi here so far, and she was a little scared about the language issues and new lifestyle culture. But after here and meeting everyone, and after meeting doctor, she is feeling so satisfied and she is totally happy and satisfied. Now my father.
आपके वजन के बारे में
हाँ
थोड़ा बोलिए।
वेट भी हुआ, मेरा लॉस हुआ, बहुत वेट था।
कितने थे पहले?
She had gastric issues.
78.8.
Major issue was the gastric issue,
हाँ.
and it is very difficult to digest things. But after coming here, now there is no gastric issue. 0% problem now.
ये आने के पहले वजन कितने थे?
वजन 78.8 था, अब 71.1 निकला आज।
After 14 days, she 7 kgs.
Reduce.
7
तभी
kgs.
मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत।
That's why she's feeling fit now, and more she can lose at home.
Yes, of course.
एसिडिटी के कारण सिर में भी पेन रहता था,
अच्छा।
सब बिल्कुल सब
Everything is
ओके।
She is happy.
मैं डॉक्टर साहब का बहुत ही धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ। और सबसे पहले तो हम ये पल्लवी के लिए वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर हर बिकॉज शी सर्च दिस प्लेस। इसने हमें ढूंढ के दिया ये जगह, और जस्ट लाइक ए मिरेकल हम 14 दिन में मैं खुद अपने लिए बता रहा हूँ, मेरे को थायराइड था डॉक्टर साहब 7.9, yesterday we tested, now it is only 5.5 TSH, and my weight was 87.9 and now it is 80.5.
Again 7.7
7
kilo.
around
Yeah.
7 kgs.
Wow.
lost. Both
या
of them.
और सबसे बड़ी बात, मेरे को आते ही यहाँ जब ट्रीटमेंट हुआ 2 दिन बाद बुखार हो गया। 3 days I was in temperature and it was 99.9 fever for 3 days. I was asking, give me crocin, give me dolo, give me something.
But they give only coconut water.
They have given only coconut water for 3 days and automatically my temperature has been gone away. It was a miracle for me in my life. This was the first time.
Without medicine getting fit.
I cannot imagine कि without medicine I am okay. And during that period I asked them, no, go
go
away.
back.
Let us go back.
I was forcing them to stay and he was saying no, let's go back.
So this was a fantastic experience, and we have told our number of relatives to come here and enjoy these things and
cured.
lifestyle, to rectify their lifestyle and reduce their medicines away. So we are very, very happy. And
There is one bigger thing they are taking from here. The one is bad lifestyle what they had there. Now everything will be as per Nature Life Center. And second thing, they were dependent on medicine. Like my mother, addicted to medicine for headache, for fever. Now they know that our body has healing system itself. It will heal everything.
Yes.
And he was saying this thing because he had ear issues also. After 3 days he said, I don't want to go to ENT. My body is healing my ear. He was saying the same language of
and I am requesting Dr. Jacob to start this type of this nature
life center.
in our areas also.
North India.
North
Where
India,
is it? Exactly where is it?
Himachal,
Himachal Pradesh.
yeah,
Exactly.
Palampur.
Palampur,
Palampur. Oh.
yeah.
Palampur.
So I am ready to provide the place and we'll start. Pallavi will be the administrator of
Yeah.
We'll do something like this.
Yeah.
Definitely we will do.
Even he
हर
had
साल इधर आने के लिए भी तैयार हैं,
हाँ.
हर साल
every year they are planning to come here now.
कम से कम 15 दिन तो।
अच्छा.
लेकिन ये है कि सबको फायदा होना चाहिए उधर के सब लोगों को, सबकी
तो that's why
रिक्वेस्ट है।
हाँ, ये जब मैं आया था तो यहाँ शोल्डर पेन भी बहुत जबरदस्त था। I cannot raise my hand like this. Now this pain has been slight, hardly 5% is there. And during yoga, a 1 hour session for yoga, it is a miracle for all the patients. During this all stretchings we are doing in small, in slow motion, Actually, we are doing yoga. Definitely, we are doing there also.
Yes, yes.
But they're very fast. They are doing very slow motion.
They,
So it is very effective.
the way of yoga here, they try to make patients feel every body part. So
Yes.
this they were not doing. They were doing yoga, but they were doing very
Yeah,
fast
very.
in Delhi.
Himachal and,
Fast they were
very
doing.
fast one.
Very fast one. So here they are feeling every body part and they are doing yoga and they are feeling in the morning itself they feel totally energetic after doing yoga.
सांस के साथ सांस अंदर लेना, बाहर निकालना,
प्राणायाम।
अकॉर्डिंग प्राणायाम के साथ में.
Yoga means Shram, Vishram.
Correct. Yes.
That's very, very important.
Yes, that we have learned a lot.
Here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will produce more antioxidants inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
From like gymnasium.
Yeah. Just like that.
Yeah. We produce some antioxidants and
Relax.
they will correct that problem. Then only we do the next one.
Right.
Then
Yeah.
that's the beauty of yoga.
या ये जो शुरू से मॉर्निंग में स्टार्ट 6 बजे से ही हमारा यहाँ से प्रोग्राम शुरू हो जाता है. जल नेती, फिर उसके बाद गरारे करना, फिर उसके बाद आप एक दो इनको जूसेस वगैरह भी सुबह हमें दिया जाता है. उसके बाद 7 से 8 योगा कराया जाता है. योगा सेशन इज ए वेरी फैंटास्टिक सेशन, ज़बरदस्त सेशन है. ये हमारी बॉडी का ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट वो उसको परफेक्ट कर देता है और उसको उसके बाद ऐसे एनर्जेटिक भी फील, ऐसा लगता है कि भी सारा दिन हम जो है ना वेरी एनर्जी फील करते हैं उसमें योगा करने के बाद में. आफ्टर योगा जो ब्रेकफास्ट है उसमें भी, ब्रेकफास्ट में भी वी आर गेटिंग हेल्दी फूड्स. जो हमारी मेरी खुद की जो प्रॉब्लम्स थी, थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम थी, मेरे पेन की प्रॉब्लम थी, वेट की प्रॉब्लम थी. बिकॉज जब मैं आया था तो मैंने डॉक्टर साहब से कहा कि भाई मेरे को 10-15 किलो वेट कम करना है. तो उनका भी हो जाएगा, ये मिरेकल है. मैं 7-8 किलो वेट मेरा 14 दिन में कम हो गया. वो कहते 14-15 दिन और रुक जाओ, 16 किलो कम कर देंगे आपका. तो उससे मेरे को बड़ा लाइट फील हो रहा है माई सेल्फ, बहुत एकदम.
Knees की problem.
और नीज में यहाँ गोडों में दर्द रहता था और वो भी ऑलमोस्ट ना के बराबर है, फिनिश हो गया.
बहुत रहता था, चाल में ही फर्क था.
अच्छा.
Movement.
चलने में ही थोड़ा परेशानी होती थी, चलने में मॉर्निंग वॉक. लेकिन अब
और
बहुत अच्छा है.
मेरा टूर ट्रैवलिंग बहुत रहता है, वो डॉक्टर साहब से मैंने डिस्कस करा. उसके लिए भी इन्होंने गुरु मंत्र दे दिया है मेरे को कि जिससे कि मैं खाने पीने का अपना ध्यान रखूं और लाइफ स्टाइल को एज इट इज चलाऊं.
I'm happy to have
बहुत
both of you, four of you, in your family.
हम अपनी फैमिली में सबको हमने बताया, अपने सिस्टर को, अपने ब्रदर्स को, सबको बताया कि बहुत अच्छा है एपिसोड यहाँ, बहुत अच्छा.
आर वेरी क्यूरियस, बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूरियस है आने के लिए.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
थैंक यू.